Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alam Timayatin. I am from AT1101B. I am going to present about plant cell. The subject for this topic is plant science, or as known as AGR122. My lecturer for this subject is Miss Siti Nurul Atikah binti Abu Samah. So, let's proceed to the next slide. This is the outline of my presentation. First, you will get to know me. The second one, you will know about the definition of the plant cell. Third one is about diagram, and the fourth one is about structure. Then, you will know about the function, and the next one is about meiosis, and the last one is about mitosis. So, as you guys know at the first introduction, my name is Nur Alim Timayatin. I am 20 years old. I born and live in Johor Bahru. My hobby is singing and playing guitar. So, let's move on to the next slide. So, this is the definition of plant cell. What is plant cell? So, let me tell you. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells that differ in several fundamental factors from other eukaryotic organisms. Both plant cell and animal cells contain nucleus along with their similar organelles. So, as you can see, these are the plant cell. On the left side, there are cell membrane, amyloplast, lipid crystal, vacuole, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, and cell wall. Meanwhile, on the right side, you can see there are ribosome, peroxisome, nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Dry's crystal, and the last one is cytoplasm. So, for the next slide, is about diagram. The plant is rectangular and comparatively larger than animal cells. Even the plant and animal cells are eukaryotic, it also share a few cell organelles. Plant cells are quite distinct when compared to an animal cell as they are perform different functions. The structure of plant cell just like different organs within the body. Plant cell structure include various components known as cell organelles that perform different functions to sustain itself. These organelles include, these are the functions. So the first one is the cell wall. The cell wall is to give the structure. The second one is the cell membrane. The cell membrane function as to allow the transport in and out the cell. Next is the smooth ER, which a packets of protein. The rough ER is facilitates protein and lipid synthesis and is attached to nucleus. For the ribosome, the facilitates protein synthesis. Vacuole to hold water and give rigidity to the cell. Chloroplast is to absorb light energy for the photosynthesis. The mitochondria is to produce the energy for reaction. The next one is cytoplasm. Acts as a medium where chemical reaction occur. Golgi apparatus is to modify proteins and lipids. The nucleus produces the cell ribosome, and the last one is peroxisome, which play the important role in metabolism, reaction oxygen, and signaling. Next, the meiosis. So, let me tell you a bit the definition of meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division during which a single cell divides twice and produces 4 daughter cells. These 4 daughter cells contain half the amount of genetic material and are known as sex cells, which is called gametes. These are the stages of meiosis. As you can see, there are prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, and cytokinesis. So, for the prophase 1, the chromosome condense and the nuclear envelope breakdowns. Crossing over occurs. For the metaphase 1, pairs of homologous chromosomes move to equator of the cell. The next one is anaphase 1, in which the homologous chromosome move to the opposite poles of the cell. And the last one is telophase 1 and cytokinesis, which chromosome gathered at the poles of the cell. The cytoplasm divides. So, let's move on to the mitosis. The definition of mitosis. Mitosis is the process by which a cell replicates its chromosome and then segregates them, producing two identical nuclei in preparation for cell division. So, these are the stages of mitosis. What we have here are interphase, which prior to mitosis, each chromosome makes an exact duplicate of itself. The chromosome then thicken and coil. The next stage is prophase. In prophase, the centrioles and asters are at opposite poles. The nucleolus and nuclear membrane have almost completely disappeared. In metaphase, the double chromosome, their centromere attached to the spindle fibers, line up at mid-cell. Then, in the anaphase, the chromosomes have almost reached their respective constriction in telophase. Nuclear membrane form around the separated chromosome. And the last one, at mitosis completion, there are two cells with the same structure and number of chromosomes as the parent cell. So, let's look at this video for more understanding.
Let's compare two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. While mitosis occurs all over the body in somatic cells, meiosis only occurs in the reproductive cells of the gonads in order to form gametes. The original cell in both mitosis and meiosis is diploid. Mitosis consists of one cell division, while meiosis consists of two stages of cell division called meiosis I and meiosis II. Mitosis results in two diploid daughter cells. In contrast, meiosis results in four daughter cells that are haploid gametes. The two daughter cells resulting from mitosis are genetic duplicates of each other and the original cell. But each haploid gamete resulting from meiosis is genetically different from every gamete ever formed.
That's it for plant cell. Thank you for lending your eyes and ear. There are some quotes I'd like to tell you. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. That's all from me.